Oh, you should be, mate. Ah, you messed up.
Somebody gets
I'm trying to find you.
It's $1 million.
Kid, you're broke. You don't have that type of money. Hey.
Wait,
wait, how did you do that? Wait,
I know where he's hiding.
He's at entrance.
Nope, you're going the wrong place. I'm watching you. No, he's over here.
You're so trash.
No. Don't call me trash.
You are, though. That's the
Stop
problem.
it.
That's a skill issue.
Trash, that's not it.
Hi, look up.
I'm swimming in the... What is that smell? Is he something over there? What is that? What is that?
Oh, you messed up doing all that. Oh, you know why?
Get up over it.
Oh, that's so lucky.
For the
Oh,
nine.
hi. No!
Yo, Randy, Randy took up. You do light up. I mean, Randy let up.
Well, at least
You guys suck. Shut up.
blue because someone changed me. Mom,
Hey, I'm about to go grab my charger.
I
I'm about to go grab my charger. It'll be easy.
Oh, you missed.
No, I'm about to get off, low-key. I'm getting tired. Onward or...
got kiss from Christine Burke.
Do you have onward?
What? I don't know what that is.
From here.
It's a shooter game. What games do you have?
Oh.
Yeah, I almost got recorded.
Why is it so quiet all of a sudden?
I don't know, bro. Come on, Santa, you got this. Get him.
Black left.
That's good, bro. He said he's leaving.
What?
That's a little hard, but...
Everyone say hi. What are we recording for?
Nah, you crazy.
That
It was at this moment that he knew.